Okay, friends. So, I think in the last video we completed with asymmetric encryption and symmetric and couple of encryption techniques and concepts and logics, right? So in this, I'm going to explain you one of the services called KMS, because since we are going to use S3 encryption. We have to deal with this KMS as well. So KMS is nothing but it is one of the services in AWS, which we call it as key management service. Okay, so as the name itself says, key management service, which means this is one of the service provided by AWS which will manage your keys. Okay, so as you know, what do you mean by keys? Keys is nothing but your password as per our previous videos. And what are the different various keys we have? So far we have discussed two keys, right? Based on the previous videos. One is symmetric key and the other one is asymmetric key. So what this KMS will do is, in this KMS you can create either symmetric key or asymmetric key. These are all the two keys you can create, and this KMS service will manage these keys for you. Okay, and here it does all your encryption and decryption, all kind of things you can do. You can store the keys, you can create the keys, you can manage the keys. So these things are all done inside KMS. So if I want you to show this, say okay, let me note this, let me see this, where is it? Yeah, so see this, say for example, in search for services, if you go to your AWS and then if you hit on key management services, so you would be getting, see, so you will get a key like AWS key management service, and here you can create the keys, manage the keys, store the keys, everything can be done here. So this is one of the beautiful services provided only for your key management. So this is what we're gonna see, a high level overview of it, because this has a relationship with S3 mainly. That's why we are checking on this. Yeah. So now before I jump into KMS, there are a few concepts which you need to understand. So here we go. So one is, you need to understand, okay, customer master key. So this can be, this is part of KMS, okay, and this key I know can be created by the customer inside KMS service. Okay, so this is a customer master key, or you can say like CMK. So hyphen CMK. Okay, so this is part of KMS, and this customer master key can be created by the customer inside the KMS service. Sorry, so service. Okay, so now we will be talking about, I'll just show you some, so I'll just put you some flows, what's really happening with KMS and CMK. So let's see this. Okay, so here we go. Let me open this. So yep, so say for example guys, so this is KMS. Okay, say for example, this entire thing is, okay, this is your KMS service. Okay, this is KMS service. So this is KMS. This is KMS service. Okay, now say for example, this is me, this is Samir. So this is Samir, this is Samir. Okay, well, if Samir wants to integrate, want to interact with KMS, what he will do is, okay, he wants to create a key. So what he will do is, okay, so he will just come here. Okay, the request is like this, he will create a key, correct, create key. Example, this is a create key. Okay, so he needs to create a key called customer master key, CMK. Okay, and then, okay, so understand this. Now Samir is creating the key. Okay, and for example, I just downloaded some image key symbol. So this is like our customer key. Okay. Okay, perfect. Now what happens is this CMK, right? So see this CMK key, after once it enters the KMS, once it enters the KMS service, once see this, he will do some create key and all in the GUI. After it gets entered into the KMS, what happens is KMS, what it will do is it will encrypt this key to another key. Okay, so he will get another key like this. Say for example, here this is the one, and then Control C, Control V if you do, so he will get another key. Okay, so inside this key you will have that key. So here this is the, so this one, so this one will be encrypted, and then it will go here, and then here you will get a new key. You got it? Now what happens is, now Samir wants to encrypt some files. Okay, so here if he wants to encrypt some files, so for example file A, okay, so he's just sending a request called encrypt here, ENCRYPT, encrypt. So what happens is, once it hits the KMS, okay, file A, once it hits the KMS, so from here, right, from here, so from here, the same key will be coming up here, the unencrypted key, because here this is encrypted. Okay, so what happens is, okay, so this key, right, so basically what I'm trying to say here is, so you will get this key here, and then what happens, the file A comes up here, and then file A will be coming here inside, and then using this key, this will be encrypted, and then inside there will be a encrypted file. There will be a lock symbol in this, so this file will be the encrypted one. Okay, so this is the idea about encryption with KMS and CMK. So I'll just tell you what happened. So let me type it real quick. So here's the thing. So first thing is, understand this, first thing is create a customer master key CMK, okay, inside KMS services. Good. This is the first step. Now second step, what is the second step? As soon as you create a custom CMK, okay, KMS, key management service, will encrypt that key for you. Okay, so that is what happened here. So that is what happened here. See this here. So as soon as you, so I will say like, this is my first step. So this is my first step, and this is my second step. Okay, now if you want to, so now what happens is, 1 minute. So now third step is, okay, Samir is sending the file to encrypt it. So that is, which is the third step, that is this is the third step. See, this is the third step, this one is the third step, this one. Okay, now after this what happens? Now let's see the fourth step. What is the fourth step? So fourth step is, okay, KMS will get the file and encrypt it using the key which was encrypted in the second step. Okay, so meaning KMS will decrypt that key. Okay, so that is what happened in the fourth step. So what is the fourth step? This is the fourth step. Understand this. This is the fourth step here. This is the fourth step. Okay, so this entire thing is the fourth step here, and then you'll get encrypted file. That's it, done. Okay, so just be clear. I'll just repeat it one more time. What happened here is you're creating a CMK key, okay, and then the CMK key will be encrypted with another key, okay, and this is an encrypted key. And then what happens, Samir is sending a file A to encrypt it, and once it enters, what happens is KMS will come to know, okay, there is a key encrypted already. So what it'll do is it will decrypt that key first. So decrypt is this one down. So it will decrypt it, and using the decrypt key, it will encrypt this file, and then it will send the encrypted ciphertext one. So we got it encrypted. So this is the basic funda of how the encryption works. Okay. Now, if you want to decrypt it, what happens is again same thing. What it will do is Samir will do is Samir will request to decrypt it. So using the same KMS key, it will decrypt and it will give the output. This is as simple as it is. Okay, guys. So that's all on the KMS part. We don't have to don't go much deep into that, but just understand the concept, what is happening. Okay. So next one is I just want to talk about something on S3 encryption. Okay, maybe I'll do that in the next video. Okay, so let me stop this for now. Thank